If your home feels noisy, drafty, or uncomfortable no matter the season, your windows may be the hidden cause. Old or poorly designed windows allow outdoor noise, temperature changes, and even humidity to seep inside. Installing new windows is one of the most effective ways to create a quieter, more comfortable living space while improving your overall quality of life. How windows affect noise levels in your home. Outside noise doesn't just enter through open doors or thin walls, it often travels straight through outdated windows. Single-pane glass, loose frames, and worn seals provide little resistance to sound waves. This can make traffic noise, barking dogs, construction sounds, or loud neighbors feel like they're right inside your home. Modern replacement windows are specifically designed to reduce noise intrusion. Double or triple pane glass creates multiple layers that disrupt sound vibrations. The air or gas-filled space between panes acts as a buffer, significantly lowering the volume of outside noise. For homeowners living near busy streets or active neighborhoods, this difference can be dramatic. With new windows, your home becomes a calmer environment where conversations are clearer, sleep is deeper, and everyday stress is reduced. Better insulation means better comfort. Noise reduction is only one part of the comfort equation. New windows also improve indoor comfort by regulating temperature more effectively. Older windows often allow air leaks, making rooms feel too hot in summer and too cold in winter. This creates uneven temperatures throughout the home and forces your heating and cooling system to work harder. Energy-efficient windows feature advanced insulation technologies, such as low emissivity glass coatings and tightly sealed frames. These features help keep warm air inside during colder months and block excess heat during warmer months. The result is a more stable indoor temperature that feels comfortable year-round. No more cold drafts near the windows in winter or overheating by the glass in summer. Just consistent comfort in every room. Improved indoor air quality and humidity control. New windows don't just block noise and temperature changes, they also help manage indoor air quality. Older windows may allow moisture to seep in, leading to condensation, mold growth, or musty odors. This can make your home feel uncomfortable and unhealthy, especially for those with allergies or respiratory sensitivities. Modern windows are built with advanced sealing systems that limit moisture infiltration while still allowing proper ventilation when opened. This helps maintain balanced indoor humidity levels, making your home feel fresher and more comfortable every day. A quieter, more relaxing living space. One of the most noticeable benefits of new windows is how they transform the atmosphere of your home. Reduced noise levels create a more peaceful environment for working, relaxing, or spending time with family. Whether you're working from home, enjoying a movie night, or simply reading a book, the quiet makes a meaningful difference. Many homeowners are surprised by how much calmer their home feels after window replacement. It's not just about blocking sound, it's about creating a space where you can truly unwind. Comfort that adds long-term value beyond daily comfort. New windows add lasting value to your home. Improved energy efficiency can lower utility bills, while enhanced sound insulation and comfort make your home more enjoyable for years to come. These benefits also appeal to future buyers, making window upgrades a smart investment. If your home feels noisy, uncomfortable, or inefficient, new windows can be a simple yet powerful solution. By reducing noise, stabilizing indoor temperatures, and improving overall comfort, modern windows help turn your house into a peaceful, comfortable retreat you'll love coming home to.